So I just had a really special moment. So the other day, I stepped on a piece of glass that was like this big. What had happened was I had knocked over a glass. I didn't realize it was there. I turned my chair and it fucking fell over and I heard it fall. So I picked it up and I found a glass that was perfectly intact and assumed that had been all that I dropped and fucking stopped. I looked around a little bit more. I didn't see shit. I fucking put it aside, brought it to the kitchen, whatever. I then, like 6 hours later, went to leave my computer chair and instead of going up and over furniture, like I usually do, I actually put my foot on the ground and I stepped on a piece of glass that was like this big. So I, cried and took care of my foot and bandaged shit, whatever the fuck. And I went hunting for more pieces of glass, and I found a couple more pieces of glass and assumed that I had found all the pieces of glass because I fucking looked for a while. And I thought it was kind of weird because I never found, like, the base of the glass, but I was like, fuck it, whatever. They were almost all those pieces were, like, concentrated in this one area. Most of those pieces were in a drawer. I'm pretty sure I'm fine. So I dropped something just now, and I went looking for it, and I found this. And that is my lesson to you about why you should not be as much of a pig as I am. Okay, bye.